हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी को मिलते हैं फुल्ली एक्सेसिबल टॉक बैक के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी, जॉब अलर्ट से संबंधित नई अपडेट्स। इन नई अपडेट्स को पाने के लिए चैनल को कीजिए सब्सक्राइब और पास में बने बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके कीजिए ऑल पे सेट, ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारी वीडियो की सबसे पहले अपडेट। तो कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड यूट्यूब चैनल।
हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूं दोस्तों आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका फिर से एक जॉब अलर्ट की नई वीडियो में। जी हां दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे कि एसएससी द्वारा सीजीएल का नोटिफिकेशन आउट कर दिए गए हैं। जी हां दोस्तों, बिल्कुल ठीक सुना आपने। कंबाइंड हायर ग्रेजुएशन लेवल सीजीएल का नोटिफिकेशन आउट कर दिया गया है दोस्तों। इसमें आपको कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी कि क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया है, कौन कौन सी पोस्ट के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है। दोस्तों एसएससी सीजीएल ने पोस्ट अभी डिक्लेयर नहीं की है कि कितनी वैकेंसीज हैं। जब वो डिक्लेयर कर देगा तो उसका वीडियो भी हमारे चैनल पे आपको मिल जाएगा। फिलहाल जो नोटिफिकेशन आउट हुआ है उसमें क्या क्या जॉब क्राइटेरिया है, क्वालिफिकेशन है ना, एज क्राइटेरिया, और दोस्तों जो पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी के लिए स्पेशली जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी गई हैं वो भी इसमें बताई गई है, जैसे राइटर को लेके, स्क्राइब को लेके, है ना। तो तमाम जानकारी के लिए आपको वीडियो में कंटिन्यू बने रहना है। और दोस्तों हमारे और हमारी टीम के सपोर्ट के लिए दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। पास में जो नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन होता है उसको डबल टैप करके ऑल पे कर दीजिए, ताकि इन फ्यूचर इसी तरह की वीडियो आप तक पहुंचती रहे, चाहे वो जॉब अलर्ट हो, टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड हो, या फिर दिव्यांगजन अधिकार नियम 2016 की हम सीरीज स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, वो वीडियो भी आप तक पहुंच सके। तो दोस्तों कमेंट करके बताइएगा हमारी टीम का जो प्रयास है ये आपको कैसा लगता है। वैकेंसीज का ट्यूटोरियल तो मैं आप सभी के लिए लाता ही रहता हूं। अगर आप चैनल पे पहली बार आए तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाके जरूर देखिएगा, हमने काफी सारी प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है अलग अलग कैटेगरी की, ठीक है। तो चलिए दोस्तों आज की वीडियो में जान लेते हैं सीजीएल नोटिफिकेशन, डिटेल नोटिफिकेशन एनालाइज कर लेते हैं और देख लेते हैं क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया है, कौन कौन सी वैकेंसीज के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशन मांगी गई है, और दोस्तों इसमें क्या क्या सिलेबस रहेगा, एग्जाम आपका कैसे होगा, एग्जाम कब होगा, पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी के लिए राइटर गाइडलाइन कौन सी लागू हुई है, इसमें तमाम जानकारी के लिए आपको वीडियो में बने रहना है। और दोस्तों एक चीज मैं आपको बता दूं कि जब मेरे वॉलंटियर जो है, मेरी टीम है, वो नोटिफिकेशन को रीड करना स्टार्ट करेंगे कि तो शुरू में आपको काफी चीजें सिलेबस के बारे में या फिर क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में बताई जाएगी। और जो अगर आप वीडियो में कंटिन्यू बने रहेंगे तो लास्ट में थोड़ा सा बताया गया है कि पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी राइटर गाइडलाइन का क्या क्राइटेरिया है, ठीक है। तो इसलिए कह रहा हूं आपने वीडियो को स्किप करके नहीं जाना है, बिल्कुल भी कंप्लीट वीडियो देखना है ताकि आपको अच्छे से इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सके। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपनी टीम के पास। अभी तक भी वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो फटाफट से लाइक कर दीजिए और शेयर कर दीजिए सभी विजुअली इंपेयर्ड ग्रुप में, ताकि सभी विजुअली इंपेयर्ड साथियों तक ये जानकारी पहुंच सके सीजीएल के रिगार्डिंग। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है तरुण जुनेजा, आप देख रहे हैं आपका हमारा अपना ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर विजुअली इंपेयर्ड। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज के इस नए जॉब अलर्ट वीडियो को।
Hello everyone, welcome to Information Desk for Visually Impaired YouTube channel. Let's discuss notice regarding Combined Graduate Level Examination 2021. Dates for submission of online applications 23rd 12 2021 to 23rd 1 2022. Last date and time for receipt of online applications 23/1/2022. Last date and time for making online fee payment 25/1/2022. Last date and time for generation of offline challan 26/1/2022. Last date for payment through challan during working hours of bank 27/1/2022. Dates of window for application form correction including online payment 28/1/2022 to 1/2/2022. Schedule of computer based examination Tier 1 April 2022 and dates of Tier 2 examination computer based and descriptive paper Tier 3 is to be notified later. Details of the posts followings are the likely posts that will be filled up through this examination. Name of the post, ministry, department, office or cadre, classification of posts and age limit. Assistant Audit Officer, Indian Audit and Accounts Department under CAG, which is Controller and Auditor General of India. Group B, gazetted, age limit 18 to 30 years. Assistant Accounts Officer, Indian Audit and Accounts Department under CAG. Group B, gazetted, age 18 to 30 years. Assistant Section Officer, Central Secretariat Service. Group B, 20 to 30 years. Assistant Section Officer, Intelligence Bureau. Group B, age 18 to 13 years. Assistant Section Officer, Ministry of Railway. Group B, age 20 to 30 years. Assistant Section Officer, Ministry of External Affairs. Group B, age 20 to 30 years. Assistant Section Officer, AFHQ. Group B, age 20 to 30 years. Assistant Section Officer, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Assistant Other Ministries, Departments or Organizations. Group B, age 20 to 30 years. Assistant Section Officer, Other Ministries, Departments, Organization. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Inspector of Income Tax, CBDT. Group C, age 18 to 30 years. Inspector, CGST and Central Excise, CBIC. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Inspector Preventive Officer, CBIC. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Inspector Examiner, CBIC. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Assistant Enforcement Officer, Directorate of Enforcement and Department of Revenue. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Sub-Inspector, Central Bureau of Investigation. Group B, age 20 to 30 years. Inspector Posts, Department of Post. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Inspector, Central Bureau of Narcotics. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Assistant or Superintendent, Indian Coast Guard. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Assistant Other Ministries, Departments or Organizations. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Assistant National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Research Assistant, National Human Rights Commission. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Divisional Accountant, Officers under CAG. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Sub-Inspector, National Investigation Agency. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Junior Statistical Officer of Statistics and Program Implementation. Group B, age 18 to 32 years. Statistical Investigator Grade 2, Registrar General of India. Group B, age 18 to 30 years. Auditor, Officers under CAG. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Auditor, Other Ministry Departments. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Auditor, Officers under CGDA. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Accountant, Officers under CAG. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Accountant or Junior Accountant, Other Ministry and Departments. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Senior Secretariat Assistant, Upper Division Clerks, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Senior Secretariat Assistant, Upper Division Clerks, Central Government Offices, Ministries other than CSCS cadres. Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Tax Assistant CBDT Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Tax Assistant CBIC Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Sub-Inspector Central Bureau of Narcotics Group C, age 18 to 27 years. Vacancies will be determined in due course. Updated vacancy position will be uploaded on the website of the Commission, ssc.nic.in, Candidates Corner, tentative vacancy. Reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, economically weaker sections, X-men, ex-servicemen, and persons with disabilities. Candidates for all the categories of posts, services, wherever applicable and admissible, would be as determined and communicated by the identing ministries, departments, offices, cadres as per extant government orders. Vacancies for ESM are reserved for only Group C posts. Now, permissible relaxation in upper age limit and category codes for claiming age relaxation are as follows. PWD unreserved 10 years, age relaxation permissible beyond upper age limit. PWD OBC 13 years, PWD SC ST 15 years. Essential educational qualifications as on 23rd-1-2022 for Assistant Audit Officer or Assistant Accounts Officer. Essential qualifications: bachelor's degree from a recognized university or institute. Desirable qualifications: chartered accountant or cost and management accountant or company secretary, or masters in commerce or masters in business studies, or masters in business administration finance, or masters in business economics. During the period of probation, direct recruit shall have to qualify subordinate audit account service examination in respective branches for confirmation and regular appointment as assistant audit officer, assistant accounts officer. For junior statistical officer, bachelor's degree in any subject from a recognized university or institute with at least 60% marks in mathematics at 12th standard level. Bachelor's degree in any subject with statistic as one of the subjects as degree level. Could be either of two. Statistical investigator grade 2, bachelor's degree in any subject with statistics as one of the subjects from a recognized university or institute. The candidates must have studied statistics as a subject in all the 3 years or all the 6 semesters of the graduation course. Assistant in National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLAT. Essential qualifications: bachelor's degree from a recognized university or institute. Desirable qualifications: degree in law from a recognized university. For research assistant in National Human Rights Commission, essential qualifications: bachelor's degree from a recognized university or institute. Desirable qualifications: minimum 1 year research experience in any recognized university or research institute, degree in law or human rights from a recognized university. For all other posts, bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent. The candidates must possess essential qualification on or before the closing date for receipt of online applications, that is 23rd-1-2022. Now let's look at the application fee. Fee payable is ₹100 for women candidates and candidates belonging to scheduled tribe, castes, persons with disabilities and ex-servicemen eligible for reservation are exempted from payment of fee. Scheme of examination. The examination will be conducted in 4 tiers as indicated below. Tier 1 computer based, Tier 2 computer based, Tier 3 pen and paper mode descriptive paper, Tier 4 computer proficiency test and data entry skill test wherever applicable. Scheme of Tier 1 and Tier 2 examinations. Subject: General Intelligence and Reasoning. Number of questions 25, maximum marks 50. General Awareness. Number of questions 25, maximum marks 50. Quantitative Aptitude. Number of questions 25, maximum marks 50. English Comprehension. Number of questions 25, maximum marks 50. Time allowed 1 hour. Paper 1 Quantitative Abilities. Number of questions 100, maximum marks 200. Time 2 hours. Paper 2 English Language and Comprehension. Number of questions 200, maximum marks 200. Paper 3 Statistics. Number of questions 100, maximum marks 200. Paper 4 General Studies, Finance and Economics. Maximum marks 200 and number of questions 100. Time allowed 2 hours and 40 minutes for the candidates eligible for Scribe as per para 7.1 and 7.2. Scheme of Tier 3 examination: pen and paper mode, descriptive paper in Hindi or English, writing of essay, precise letter, application, etc. Maximum marks 100. Time allowed 1 hour. 1 hour and 20 minutes for the candidates who are eligible for Scribe. Tier 4 skill test. In Tier 4, computer proficiency test and data entry speed test will be conducted. Now let's look at provision of compensatory time and assistant of Scribe. In case of persons with benchmark disabilities in the category of blindness, locomotor disability, both arms affected, and cerebral palsy, the facility of Scribe is provided if desired by the candidate. In case of remaining categories of the persons with benchmark disability, the provision of Scribe will be provided on production of a certificate at the time of examination to the effect that the person concerned has physical limitation to write, and Scribe is essential to write examination on his behalf from Chief Medical Officer, Civil Surgeon, Medical Superintendent of a government healthcare institution as per performer at Annexure 1. The facility of scribes or passage reader will be provided to PWD candidates only if he opted for the same in the online application form. The candidate will have the discretion of opting for his own scribe or to avail the facility of scribe provided by the Commission. Appropriate choice in this regard will have to be given by the candidate in the online application form. In case the candidate opts for his own scribe, the qualification of the scribe should be one step below the qualification of candidate taking the examination. The candidates with benchmark disabilities opting for own scribe shall be required to submit details of the own scribe at the time of examination as per performer at Annexure 2. If a candidate opts for his own scribe, in that case, that scribe should not be candidate of this examination. If the candidate is detected as assistant another PWD candidate, then candidatures of both the candidates will be cancelled. A compensatory time of 20 minutes per hour of examination will be provided to the persons who are allowed to use the scribe. No attendant other than the scribe for eligible candidates will be allowed inside the examination hall. One-eyed candidates and partially blind are able to read the normal question paper set with or without magnifying glass, and who wish to write or indicate the answers with the help of magnifying glass will be allowed to use the same in the examination hall and will not be entitled to a scribe. Such candidates will have to bring their own magnifying glass to the examination hall. The PWD candidates who have availed the facility of scribes or passage reader or compensatory time must produce relevant documents for the eligibility of scribe or compensatory time at the time of document verification, failure to produce such supporting documents will lead to cancellation of their candidature for the examination. That is all for today. Thank you.